सुबह सुबह
मैकडॉनल्ड्स है, सुबह सुबह मैकडॉनल्ड्स है. वी हैव स्लेप्ट फॉर व्हाट 2 hours 2-3 hours एंड अब हम धक धक कर रहे हैं.
We will have fries and
लेट्स सी. या डाइट कोक मिलता भी है क्या इनके पास?
कोक 0 देते हैं मानो.
5 बजे 5 सुबह के एंड वी आर सो scared and excited
Let's just
hope
hope it
because
doesn't get cancelled.
it's that time जहाँ पे वो इंडिगो का शिट आ रहा है. इंडिगो का शिट हो रहा है तो वी आर लाइक रियली स्कैर्ड बिकॉज खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
that were before or after us, both of them got cancelled. So
Let's hope for the best. We look super horrible right now. बहुत गर्मी है यहाँ पे. But we've finally taken a cab. इतना थोड़ा बहुत
yeah,
चक्कर हो गया. But
we did
anyways,
it.
we did it. Now we're going to Pondy. I didn't tell you guys anything.
It's a 2-hour 48-minute drive.
तो हम थोड़ा बहुत सोएंगे भी. So we are going to Pondicherry. मैं बोलना ही भूल गई थी. Also see her nails. It's so cute. She has starfish and I have a flower.
We beach coded.
Yeah, we're all ready. पहले तो we thought हमारी flight take off नहीं होगी because Indigo obviously, but luckily everything went well. Also it was my first flight by the way. मज़ा आ गया. Now we'll reach Pondy and I'll let you guys know. It's day 2 guys and हम कल legit you won't believe we were so tired. We slept around 7 7:30 को हम सोए हैं and हम नहीं उठे वापस. We literally woke up सुबह 6 भी नहीं भाई 7-8 o'clock के आसपास and then we had yummy breakfast and now we are ready. Look, we all look so pretty and we have rented 2 scooters also, so we will be traveling thoda. We are going to Rock Beach, White Town side and we will do some shopping, khana and stuff and just roam around. Yeah, riding outfit.
Did we take extra time?
I took one.
Good morning.
We went to a cute cafe for lunch and then went to a pastry shop and then now we're here. Another
Please. Just
no boobs.
No boobs.
Another drink.
Cafe, हाँ. Cafe.
Just to drink. मतलब we're just cafe hopping the whole day. It's a day 2 by the way.
Yeah, this is day
and I'm so happy because I'm with my besties.
And I'm shit tired.
And she's also very tired because she got her period. And मुझे शायद से आ सकता है because sinking.
And we
It
planned
happens.
the entire fucking trip
हाँ
with regard to our dates, but we're early.
आ गया. Anyways, I've not still gotten them, so
Lucky.
I don't want to jinx it, but I can feel it कि मुझे आ सकता है. Anyways, we have everything. Also यहाँ पे Instamart चलता है. Also we have rented because apparently autos are very expensive. हमारा बहुत पैसा गया in autos. And also day 1 was like we met very sweet people. Day 2 we met stupid nonsense लोग because see there were 2 beggars. एक आंटी थी, she came, she was asking for money. We said no. चिपक गई मेरे पीछे पीछे, हमारे सबके पीछे पीछे चिपक गई, प्लीज़ दे प्लीज़ दे. We said no, and it was like touchy चिपकना, not दूर से चिपकना. So it was very annoying. Secondly, we went to one bakery, but apparently we wanted to go to another bakery. But again, जब हम बेकरी से बाहर आए, that uncle पहले जाने से पहले भी उन्होंने he begged. We said no because we don't know people. And then हम बाहर आए, he started again begging. And one stupid stuff that he did was like मेरा दिमाग ख़राब कर दिया basically. So she is wearing kind of revealing. We are also, but while traveling we're like wearing hoodie and jacket because it just keeps on bouncing. Anyways, हम travel कर रहे हैं, right? So she's
I'm the
princess,
passenger
yeah.
princess, so I don't need to wear a jacket.
She doesn't need to wear a jacket. And that guy, that beggar, just because we said no, he in his language started saying stuffs and we don't understand anything. But one random thing that he said which I understood was, I am wearing a jacket, why isn't she wearing a jacket, what is his problem? It was very annoying. मैंने जो स्कूटर भगाई है ना उसको गाली दे दे के like मेरा मराठी सब बाहर निकला है because I was just very angry. I just hate such people. Like, let us live, please. And it is such a decent, I mean it is a cute top, it's just a little deep, but it's fine. I mean she's not naked at least. Anyways, that's it. It was a छोटा सा rant session.
But now we're gonna get some drinks and probably be but
Yes. Look at this place, it's very fancy. So you can see alcohol, but I'm not going to drink, nor is Bhavi going to drink because we are driving. So just letting you guys know, वरना तुम लोग लिखोगे
I might drink.
she might drink because पैसेंजर प्रिंसेस क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है, उसको बस डायरेक्शन देने हैं which वो अच्छे से दे पाए उतना वो पिएगी बस. Anyways, yes, that's it. I just wanted to mention that because misunderstanding हो सकती है, you know. We don't do drink and drive. Please don't do drink and drive. Guys, it's 7 right now and I was riding the whole time so I couldn't talk to you, but right now we're here in some Buddha place and it's like a cute rooftop sea facing restaurant and we're just gonna eat food there. Gonna try sushis and stuff and I'm really excited for that. Also changing right now from this to another dress because it's that dress kind of a vibe, you know. And I'm so exhausted. We all are very exhausted, even though हमने कुछ ज़्यादा किया नहीं, but yeah. Good morning guys, it's day 3 and we have left. We're wearing cute, I'm wearing this cute cord set. She is wearing cute skirt and a top, very cute, beach coded.
Made me change from a fucking
She was wearing short and a shirt like a very oversized.
Yeah.
So we said nope, not today. Also abhi see this pimple, it's so bad. Anyways, abhi we're going, oh shit,
pottery.
we're going to pottery class. हमने book करी है. It's just for 500, so we thought let's just try it because we wanted to do that so badly. Mumbai में
जगह देखी है, but it was all shit expensive for like pottery, and you have to pay extra to take your things home.
यहाँ पे we can take, right?
500 में you take it home.
and I'm really excited. We are obviously late, but we are gonna try कि हम पहुंच जाए थोड़ा
It's
जल्दी.
an 8-minute ride.
Yeah, so
we'll be
we're
there.
gonna now I'll ride. So
को पता
bye bye.
Bye.
Finally, we're done.
Yeah, it
And-
was fucking amazing.
It was very amazing because we did like 5.
We get to take all 5.
Yeah, we can take all 5, but हमारे पास इतना जगह नहीं है, which is like जितना भी best लगा वो हमने
हाँ.
choose किया है 3. So we're trying to get those. Let's see last कब ले सकते हैं because tomorrow we're going.
I don't know how it's gonna dry, how we're gonna pack it, and how it's gonna go in the bag.
I know.
And how is it going to survive fucking luggage?
The
ka check-in?
yeah, I just hope it doesn't break. Also, it was very fun, very therapeutic. 1 घंटे का footage था. I don't know when it got. Oh, sorry. I don't know कब मैं बंद हो गया video, but after 1 hour it just हमने उससे ज़्यादा किया है, by the way.
This is the best fucking thing we've done. For
Yeah, because
500.
Bandra is very expensive. They don't even let you take
Yeah.
the
You have to
things
pay
you
extra.
made. Yeah.
Or I think 1,000 mein you get just one. Here we get 500 mein you can take
all. We did 5.
Five
So 500
each.
में 5. Like very nice. Anyways.
We just can't take all of them because
हाँ, because luggage. But it was very very fun. I want to do it again. मजा आ गया.
वापस आ गया.
Yeah.
Pony
Also,
Park
also Auroville के इस side जिस side हम ये pottery करने हैं, it was amazing. Like
we judged it too fast.
yeah, where we are staying, it is meh. But अभी जब हमने ये road explore किया, it was so good. We want to roam more यहाँ पे because it's more cute, cozy,
Now we're
interesting.
gonna go shopping.
Because हमने रास्ते पे बहुत सारे shops देखे and we want to kind of explore and see what we can get because कल फालतू का खर्चा हो चुका है.
Yeah.
So we are trying to stay.
Minimalize.
But still, it's our almost
Preferred.
last day.
Yeah.
ठीक है तो we can shop I think and maybe कभी अभी कब आएंगे you know.
This
So
is
let's
the first
just
trip, you know, उसकी memories के लिए we will take everything. जो भी अच्छा लगे सब खरीदेंगे.
yes. So वो हम थोड़ा खुद को वो कर रहे हैं तसल्ली दे रही है. Yes, that it is fine
can
to
do this.
shop.
Survive
Yes.
कर लेंगे एक और महीना बिना सैलरी के.
Yes because
अगले
क्या ही
महीने आ
बचा है.
जाएंगे. अगले महीने आ
आ जाएंगे. We're so cool at this भाई. Anyways, I'm so happy right now and look at her. She looks so pretty. Oh shit. हाँ but ठीक है. मेरा भी थोड़ा pants इधर उधर खराब हो गया but that's hard work you guys.
This is Sarah's top. The
Yeah.
skirt is my sister's.
हाँ.
Nothing is mine.
Because मैडम ने apparently 3 दिन के लिए 3 ही टॉप लिए थे and I don't know how that is
I had too
possible.
much trust in myself.
And I took like बहुत सारा सामान.
तू
So,
भाई दोनों,
हाँ.
both of them.
ठीक है. Anyways, that's it for now. We'll go. अभी I'll have to drive, so we'll go and we'll see. We'll catch up on things, and I'll let you know what we're doing next. Bye.
Every night, every night, every night I wait. Paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want.
Guys, we just had food. It was local. We wanted to try local food. Possibility that freshwater fish does not suit us. It
Yeah.
might suit local people, but not us. But we wanted to try fish and stuff. But still, we tried prawn something. We went to Kamachi, which was like a very famous local food. So we tried because itne time se we are trying just cafe foods and stuff. We did like it, so we had biryani, safest option, chicken biryani. It was really good. It was like pulao mostly,
pulao.
then biryani, but ठीक है, अच्छा था. And then we also had chicken platter, which was मैं मुंबई में ये सब मिलता है लेकिन ये मुंबई में the problem is that only because yeah we have had much better in Mumbai only कि इधर आके it's like हाँ ये तो खाया था ऐसा. It's not new for us. Also we had some what prawn kamachi. It looked very nice in the photo. सब photos में बहुत अच्छा लगा but in reality it was very महसा दिखने वाला.
And the prawns were like extremely small.
Yeah, very small. It was good. ठीक है, tasty था. इन लोगों को बस prawns से कुछ ना कुछ होते रहता है, so they didn't like eat
We
so
just
much.
tasted
हाँ,
it.
Taste किया. It was good. It was made with अंडा fry something. ऐसे अंडे को mix में डाल के ऐसा कुछ तो दे. Anyways, so we had that. Now we are walking. I'm like full. बिकॉज हमने 2 बार चिकन बिरयानी ली है, बट चिकन बिरयानी वॉज गुड, एटलीस्ट खाना गया है, बिकॉज इतने दिनों से वी आर जस्ट हैविंग पिज्ज़ा, पास्ता एंड क्या कैफे फूड. हाँ,
proper cafe food.
so it was good like for a change. अभी we are walking, I don't know where
We're
we are.
full as fuck. We're just
I think
walking.
rock beach ही आ गया.
Bad might have a great.
Hi Miti. It's like the मजा आ रहा है, very cute, मतलब सही है, मजा आ रहा है. Very cleanish पानी, बहुत ज़्यादा clean but clean. Please मैं पागल दिख रही हूँ. Oh my god. Much better. So now we are at Serenity Beach and it's almost very dark, इसलिए we are looking kind of ugly, but we're going to do that trend जहाँ पे we do the thumbprints. So like we'll be putting sand उसके ऊपर. So glue will be here and we'll do the heart
उसके ऊपर.
heart thumbprint and then उसके ऊपर sand. Just like for memory and time pass.
Yes.
Because we have nothing to do now.
Okay, I'll do it here. फिर तू.
बहुत easy है ये तो. Very cute.
It's okay. बहुत भूख लगा है. We have pizza, as you can see. We ordered dragon chicken.
मैं we have spaghetti here. अभी तक ट्राई नहीं करी है. But I love their portions. They're very massive.
Lemon ice tea.
This is actually good. यहाँ पे जितने भी आइस टीज भी ट्राइड, इट वॉज वेरी गंदू टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. कहीं पे स्वीट नहीं था, कहीं पे इट वॉज वेरी स्वीट, कहीं पे कुछ भी था. दिस इज वेरी नाइस विद आइस, सो एवरीथिंग इज गुड हियर एंड कंपेरेटिवली सस्ता बिकॉज द पोर्शन साइज इज वेरी नाइस. लाइक फुल. सो वी आर जस्ट डूइंग आवर लास्ट डिनर टुगेदर शायद से.
Before the trip ends.
हाँ, इन पॉन्डी.
This is sad.
It's over guys, what the fuck. कल जाना पड़ेगा.
Back to 9 to 5.
Damn.
Meteorium. But we'll take another trip
Soon.
soon. March probably.
We had a lot of fun today also. We did pottery, it was so fun. We roam around. इतना ना क्या ही बताऊँ. I think we need to check petrol actually because I don't think है petrol. Now we'll enjoy our food. We'll meet you tomorrow. We're standing beach road में with our luggages because apparently जैसे ही हमने स्कूटर दे दी, we have nowhere, like no connection, nothing, where to go, God knows. So we're waiting. और एक तो ऐसी जगह पे रहते हैं ना कि there is no main road, it's just खाली गाँव वाला road. So main road उधर है and we cannot take this everything with us to the main road because जाना हमें इस साइड है. We haven't eaten, like breakfast किया था but वो भी बहुत थोड़ा सा because it was ठीक ठाक. तो we are waiting for एक auto at least because we tried doing Rapido, no guy is coming. We tried doing Ola, no guy is coming, no autos are there. And यहाँ पे it is very expensive for auto. I wish
मतलब हाफ किलोमीटर they'll charge you 100 rupees.
100 rupees. So हमें तो और आगे जाना है. So it's like very annoying right now. We have already booked our चेन्नई जाने के लिए जो कैब थी वो. Hopefully it doesn't ditch us because फिर तो सत्यानाश हो जाएगा. And I'm very tired. Look at this two huge pimple. I might get my periods too, so I am in pain. गर्मी हो रही है यहाँ पे. It is just bad right now. एक ऑटो आ रही है ब्रो. I just hope it is our ऑटो. इसकी बहन लेने गई है ऑटो. So I just hope it's not 200 रुपया ब्रो. Imagine 200 रुपया. Anyways, we got our auto, so we'll just go and eat something because we are hungry and tired and everything.
Where is it?
150 rupees, guys. Anyways, it's fine. Last day. क्या ही कर सकते हैं. And it's so noisy. उसके बाद we just have 30. मेरे फ़ोन को कुछ हो रहा है guys. Anyways, we are in a very stressful situation right now. I'll show you why. Oh, it's 29 minutes. 30 minutes दूर है airport, चेन्नई airport. This is the situation right now. बहुत बीच में traffic दिख रहा है. And check-in closes in what?
6:45.
6:45. Currently it's 5:46 and so it's SpiceJet by the way. So SpiceJet ने बोला था that
7:55 का flight था which got delayed to 8:20.
So we were like 8:20 and we thought we will reach by what 5:30. But anyways बीच में कुछ झलमल वलमल हो गया था वो I'll let you. Something is wrong with my phone. I'm trying to record but पता नहीं something is off.
चालू बंद.
But anyways we have like what
1 hour.
1 hour
for a check-in to close. And it's showing still 30 minutes for the airport.
and it's SpiceJet because Indigo नहीं मिल रहा था. It was very expensive. So we booked SpiceJet even though we know SpiceJet is चूतिया. But the thing is SpiceJet ने हमें revised message call भेजा था that it is, so it was originally 7:45, then it happened 8:20. Now they called us and said it's again 7:45 and the boarding thing closes at what
6:45.
6:45 and it's 5.
I think तेरा storage खत्म.
No, then it comes here storage khatam. I don't know, something is wrong. It is glitching, but it is right now 5:49 and we are very very late. 26 minutes more and then again सब सामान वामान इधर उधर है, so we have to do that also. We are hoping that we reach safely. हमें भागा दौड़ करना पड़ेगा and we are kind of scared and stressed because we don't have money to book another flight. तो धक हो रहा है but ठीक है, let's just hope for the best. It was like धक guys. Finally here. So we'll first do that because it was very stressful. We have officially checked in, did susu, everything, but our gate number is 106 and it scares me because I don't know where that is. And we have to do security checking. That is another hectic tras. Bhai, I swear it's just very dak wala काम because it feels like वो करते करते हमारी निकल जाएगी, उड़ जाएगी. Finally we are in.
This is your. It's okay, right? Thank you.
Finally we have boarded.
Every night, I we paradise.